Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we are going to try contact lenses from Shopee for as low as 66 pesos. Yes, you heard that right, 66 pesos. Napakamura na nito guys, considering ang contact lenses ay nagre-range from 300 pesos pataas pag bibilhin nyo ito sa mall. Pero disclaimer lang and warning, before kayo bibili ng contact lenses sa Shopee, make sure that the shop is legit and safe. You can see this on the description box, dun sa product information, dun sa customer reviews, kung maganda ba talaga yung contact lenses nila and kung safe ba ito. Kasi tulad nyo ako guys, dati I'm really hesitant na bumili ng contact lenses from Shopee kasi I'm really careful when it comes to my eyes. Pero nung nakita ko yung classmate ko na bumili ng contact lenses from Shopee and wala naman silang naranasang negative effects from it, dun ako bumili sa Shopee kasi dati bumibili ako sa mall ng contact lenses eh. Etong mga contact lenses na binili ko guys this is perfect for graduation pictures, for everyday makeup kasi natural lang sila. So I tried to buy natural contact lenses kasi dati mahilig ako bumili ng mga fun colors, mga pink, red, violet, blue, yung mga hindi natural tingnan sa ating mga Pinoy. Kaya if you are looking for contact lenses perfect for your graduation, ito yung video para sa'yo. I will put the link for the contact lenses down below sa description box and sa comment section para mas mabilis. I-click nyo na lang yung link and mapunta na kayo dun sa product. Okay guys, so ito yung box ng contact lens. Ayan, soft contact lenses from, ito yung kanyang brand, Uyay. Ayan, yan yung kanyang brand guys, and And this is good for 1 year. Pero ang expiration date niya is 5 years, pero you can use it only for 1 year since you opened it. And meron siyang free case. Ito, nakalagay na siya sa case, guys, kasi natanggal ko na siya doon sa kanyang lagayan. Pero pag open niyo itong contact lens, guys, hindi ito yung nakalagay. Iba yung nakalagay, yung contact lens mismo na nakalagay pa siya sa isang plastic na lagayan. Tapos ilalagay niyo siya sa case. We will start with the first one. Ito yung tag 66 pesos na contact lens. This is the Moonlight. Ilalagay ko na siya sa mata ko off-cam kasi wala kasi akong table dito and I think mahirap sa akin maglagay ito. Maghawak pa ako ng mirror. If you want a tutorial kung paano maglagay ng contact lens, you can watch my video. I will just lagay here yung sa parang annotation. Ayan, or i-link ko rin siya down below. Ilagay ko rin siya sa comment box. Or if you want, I will try to make an updated video on how to put your contact lenses. Ayan guys, so I just put the first contact lens and this is Moonlight. Ipakita ko dito yung picture niya sa Shopee para ma-compare nyo. Tapos i-zoom in natin yung ating mata. Ayan guys, so this is Moonlight. Ayan, ito na yung tag 66 pesos. So if you're wondering kung bakit tag 66 pesos siya, kasi nabili ko siya sa sale, kaya 66 siya. Pero ang original price niya guys is 100 plus and etong the rest na ipapakita ko sa inyo is 90 plus na yung price niya and meron ding tag 80 plus. Hindi pa ito yung natural looking contact lens na sinasabi ko. I-show ko sa last part yung mga magaganda contact lens. Maganda rin naman siya guys, pero hindi na siya natural looking. Ang next naman na itatry natin is etong tag 87 which is the Polaris. I will just put it and I'll be back. Ayan guys, so this is the second contact lens which is the Polaris. Ipakita ko yung picture. And this is the actual one. I will zoom in. Ayan guys, so this one is the second, the Polaris. This one is 87 pesos. Ayan, medyo hindi siya natural look. Hindi talaga siya natural looking. Bagay ito yung sa mga hot makeup looks. Now, we'll move on to the more natural looking contact lenses. Ito yung mga favorite contact lenses ko. Mag-start tayo for this one. This one is Zona Gloss. 99 pesos na to lahat sila guys. Ayan guys, so this is the third one and as you can see, it's brown. Ito yung kanyang picture and this is the actual one. I don't know if obvious ba siya kung malayo, pero I will show you the difference pag zoom in. So here it is guys. This is my eyes pag malapit. And as you can see, parang meron siyang moon na brown. Ayan, light brown. So, this is perfect for graduation pictures, for everyday contact lens. Ayan, di ba ang ganda niya? Like, very natural looking. Parang glossy yung mata niyo. Parang kakaiyak niyo lang. Now, let's move on to Fog Pearl Brown. And this one is my second favorite. Ayan guys, so this is the fourth one and ang pangalan nito is Fog Pearl Brown. It's not really obvious kung malayo. Ayan, diba? Natural, natural. So, i-zoom in natin siya ngayon. So, here it is, close up. This is Fog Pearl Brown, 99 pesos. This is my second favorite sa mga binili ko. Kasi ang ganda niya, very natural looking. Ayan, parang wala ka talagang suot. This is perfect for graduation pictures, everyday looks. Ayan, and I think if you're into K-pop, this is what most of the K-pop idols use. Parang ganito yung style, yung parang hindi talaga halata na meron silang contact lens. Now, on to the last contact lens, and this is my most favorite one. Ito talaga. This is my go-to. Ayan guys, so this is the last one and this is my most favorite. This is the Fog Pearl Gray. Parang parehas lang siya doon sa Fog Pearl Brown, pero this one is medyo grayish brown siya. So parang dark brown yung dating niya. Ang ganda niya. Gusto-gusto ko talaga siya. Ito na siguro ang suotin ko every time I make a video. Kasi ang ganda niya talaga. So I'll zoom in. This is the Fog Pearl Gray. Close up. Ayan siya guys. So, kung mapansin nyo, medyo parang grayish-brown na yung eyes nyo. Natural pa rin siya, pero binago niya yung color ng mata mo. Kasi unlike those two from earlier, brown pa rin talaga yung mata mo guys. So, hindi masyado noticeable yung difference. Pero itong Fog Pearl Gray, as in parang natural pa rin siya tingnan, pero medyo grayish-brown or dark brown yung eyes mo. Ayan guys, so that is the last one for my contact lens. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you have any suggestions or requests like, At Erica, pwede nyo bang bilhin itong item na to from Shopee? You can comment it down below kasi I'm planning on making videos revolving Shopee. Like, bibili ako ng gamit tapos i-review ko sa YouTube. Parang gastosera yung dating. Pero yeah, I'm planning on making videos revolving Shopee products. So yun guys, so I really hope that you enjoyed this video and let me know kung gusto nyo ng updated video on how to put contact lenses. I will be willing to. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you could be updated on my latest uploads. Bye-bye!